The Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Scattered showers and thunderstorms moving across our region at this hour. Check out some of our cameras. You can see some of the dark skies approaching downtown Bristol from our Tri-Summit Bank camera. This is looking kind of towards the westerly direction there from our downtown Bristol cam. 77 still in Bristol, 76 in Kingsport. You notice the rain and storms around the region, a little bit cooler in Avenue where some of the rain has moved through. Marion still a little bit warmer at 78. Haven't seen the rain there yet. But note all of the rain and storms here on Max Alert Radar. You see some of it kind of calming down now across portions of southwest Virginia, but still kind of along the I-81 corridor. Basically from Wytheville all the way south and west down towards Johnson City into portions of Greene County. You see some of the showers and storms there. Let's zoom into some of this and show you where it is and where it's heading. You see one downpour here right near the Bluntville area. That's tracking north and east up towards Bristol and areas of Bluff City. More storms down towards the south in portions of Greenville, also over towards portions of Greene County and west of Johnson City. So moving that east-northeast, Johnson City, Piney Flats, you're next in line for some of these storms that will be moving through. And these have had some gusty winds with them as well. Radar indicating some gusty winds, perhaps up to 30 or 40 miles per hour. That 50 mile per hour one a little bit elevated off the surface. The winds mixing down to the surface, probably a little weaker, but still some gusty winds associated with this and some lightning as well. That's the big story. Another storm heading up towards Irwin and Unicoi. More storms in portions of the Tennessee mountains up towards Mountain City. Expect some downpours there as we go over the next 30 minutes or so. And then Marion, you'll get in on the action. All of Smith County getting in on the storm action as well as we go towards 5:30 and towards the 6 o'clock hour as well. Now, on a wider scale, here's what's going on. We've got a cold front approaching us. So as we go into the evening and overnight hours, expect this cold front to get closer. Could see a few more showers and storms try to form once again along it as it moves towards our region. A little bit of sun breaking out potentially behind these storms. So we'll see a few more showers possible through the overnight hours, especially east. The further east you go towards the Tennessee mountains, towards Boone, Smith County, you'll have a higher chance for rain as temperatures drop down into the 50s. Middle 50s tonight for Lebanon. How about 54 in Clintwood, 57 towards Gate City, and we're around 58 to 59 degrees towards the metro, 58 there in Johnson City. Now tomorrow, temperatures cooler. That's the big story. Only in the 70s tomorrow for highs. Yeah, high temperatures in the 70s. Haven't seen that in a while, have we? 76 towards Bristol, 77 in Johnson City, 74 in Duffield with a little bit of early morning cloud cover. Then 69 towards Jefferson, 70 in Boone. Cloud cover maybe lingering a little bit longer here as you're a little bit further east. Takes the front a little bit longer to clear out. 72 in Clintwood and in Grundy. How about 70, a cooler 70 in Norton, and 72 in Cumberland. Now, as we go over the next couple of days, here's what's going to happen. Our front is going to continue to move towards the east, so our temperatures will stay a little bit cool, and they'll be reinforced by another shot of cool air diving in from the north. An area low pressure, we actually call this an upper level low because it's a little higher up in the atmosphere. It's going to sit over us for a couple of days, so watch all the cool air dive south towards our region. Note temperatures early Wednesday morning in the 40s for portions of Minneapolis, also in the 40s around here. Thursday morning, temperatures in the 40s to lower 50s across our region, and highs during the afternoon only warming up into the 60s as that low kind of sits over us and gives us a chance for a little bit of rainfall too over the next couple of days. Our average temperature around 75 degrees for this time of the year. Notice going to Thursday and Friday, temperatures only in the 60s there with some scattered showers and storms around at times, probably more showers than thunderstorms, but some of them could have some brief downpours with them as they move through the area later in the week. Looking ahead towards the weekend, we'll have to watch the forecast carefully for Saturday because if this low kind of sits over us a little bit longer than expected, make it a little bit of rainfall early in the weekend. These lows are notoriously tricky to try and forecast. We have a saying, upper level low is a weatherman's woes in the meteorology community. So we'll keep an eye on that and refine the forecast for the next couple of days.
You know, nonetheless, we were in the 90s yesterday. Here we are in the 70s, and your 7-day had all 70s. Can we safely assume we have moved out of the summer season and we're done with this really hot weather?
Maggie asked me that yesterday, and I think we may be done with the 90s, but I won't say 80s are done yet.
Okay, well, we're moving in the right direction.
Right direction slowly.
Towards fall. All right, thanks.